This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, December 1st. I'm James Spann. A cold front right at the northwestern tip of the state today. How far south does it go? How long will the mild weather last? What about the next chance of rain? We'll see if we can answer all those questions. We'll take a look out the window with our Skycam network today. This is coming from downtown Jasper, the King Building. The sky there mostly cloudy in Walker County. Up north, that's our Skycam at Hamilton. Got a cold front very close to the northwestern tip of the state in that camera site, not quite there. And up in Decatur, the sky there mostly cloudy as we overlook the Tennessee River. And you can see that's not a pattern to drive cold air south. The flow is more zonal across the nation, kind of a wavy zonal flow, and that's going to keep the cold air north of the state more than likely, at least our part of the state. That was a radar at 2:39. Had a few showers over Limestone and Colbert and Lawrence counties up in the Tennessee Valley, but nothing down this way. And the chance of widespread rain will be very small for the next week. The chance of rain not zero, but no big rains expected. And look at those low 70s. How about that? Tuscaloosa, Shelby County Airport 72. And what a contrast here. Memphis down to 37 back in the cold air. Montgomery at 77. That's a 40-degree swing. And that cold front is just west of Muscle Shoals at 3 o'clock this afternoon, just creeping southward. And back in the core of the cold air, temperatures below zero on the Canadian border this afternoon. Pretty quiet pattern across the nation. Some winter weather issues for parts of West Virginia, Pennsylvania, the state of Virginia, southern Pennsylvania, but again, nothing down this way. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock. Bigger rains over Tennessee and Kentucky. And again, in Alabama, clearly the better chance of rain will be near the Tennessee border. Up in the Tennessee Valley, you work your way south, the rain amounts will be much, much lighter. All right, model fans, let's take a look. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 12 noon at 500 millibars, and it's a zonal flow. And really kind of a split flow out in the Pacific with that big upper low west of San Francisco. Down below that, the day should be mild for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden. Highs around 70 in those cities. Much like today, some sun through clouds. And could there be a shower? Yes, but the chance of any one spot getting rain, relatively small. We check the HRRR. This is tonight now at 7 o'clock, and you can see the cold front from near Scottsboro down to about Hartselle and Hamilton. North of the front, you've got 40s and low 50s, and south of the front, you've got 60s. And the front's going to stall out. That's about as far south as it goes. So tomorrow, again, we stay mild. This is Wednesday. The day looks mostly dry. Highs mid to upper 60s, mix of sun and clouds. Same thing on Thursday. We're dry and mild, and I wouldn't be shocked if we hit 70 on Thursday. Really, it's no sign of any colder air getting down in here. That's 10 degrees above average, by the way. This is Friday. Note that little subtle wave you see there around Memphis and Little Rock. And that could bring an increase in rain to the state Friday afternoon. In fact, this run fairly aggressive in bringing rain back in here Friday afternoon and Friday evening. I know we have some Christmas parades Friday night. I will be in one in Cullman. I think no doubt there's some chance of rain. But again, this shouldn't be a thunderstorm event, nothing too heavy, but clearly a chance of rain Friday afternoon into Friday evening. And then Saturday, that wave is on by. The day Saturday here looking dry with only a slight chance of a shower. Still highs in the 60s. And pretty much the same thing on Sunday. That looks dry with a high mid to upper 60s. Very comfortable weekend ahead. Monday of next week, still no sign of any cold air look here. And again, evidence of maybe a little wave producing some showers over the northern third of the state on Monday with highs holding in the 60s. So really each day for the next week, cloudy periods. Along the way, there could be a day or two with some rain, but nothing especially heavy. This is Saturday, December 13th. You know, the run I showed you this morning had a big severe weather look. Well, look, it's gone. We're in dry, stable air. That's why we call it the land of voodoo. Into the forecast on the 17th, still heights above average over Canada. Down below that, that would be temperatures at or just above average. Here's a look at the temperatures coming off the ensembles, and again, very mild this week. The numbers do come down next week, beginning about Tuesday the 9th on through mid-month. Highs drop back in the 50s and lows in the upper 30s and low 40s, and that's actually close to average for mid-December. Arctic Oscillation going positive out there later this month. The North Atlantic Oscillation stays positive. Bottom line is no sign of any really super cold air for us over the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.